Hey, this is Connor at Jason Dietsch Trailer Sales. Today I'm going to show you a 40-foot United dirt late model gooseneck trailer. At the front here we got hydraulic landing gear, 48-inch side door, your midship turn signal lights. This is a 777K axle trailer, 21,000 GVWR, and it's got 14 ply tires. We head towards the back here. Up top we obviously have an observation deck. Inside we got an escape hatch. Back here we got a docking light, 4-foot ramp flap, and most importantly a 96-inch rear door opening. I know how important that is for you guys. Rear wing, loading lights. Once you get inside the trailer, obviously ramp overs, tire racks on both sides, and an air reel back here at the back. Got all kinds of storage in these ramp overs. Both sides. You got a 5,000 pound recessed winch. Come up here towards the middle of the trailer, escape hatch on the one side, E-track in the wall on this other side here. This is perfect for a spring smasher, shock dyno, whatever you guys have. We got an 8-foot deluxe cabinet package here. You got your engine bay in the bottom. Up top, you got your upgraded 32-inch light or upper cabinets. 50 amp electrical package. This trailer has a generator prep kit and an air compressor prep kit. Those are located up in the top gooseneck. You have some more E-track here on the walls, perfect for tying on a pick cart or tire cart, whatever you got. Removable ladder here, spare tire mount. And that's about it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Give us a call, check out our website. We'd love to sell you your next trailer.